You want to get fit, but one question keeps spinning in your head. Should you join a gym or start at home? Some people say without a gym, you won't get results. Others say home workouts are enough. So what's the truth? Today, we'll clearly understand which one is better for you. First, know the truth. Fitness has two core principles: consistency, progressive overload. Where you train is secondary. Whether you train regularly, that's what matters. Many people buy a gym membership. After 1 month, they stop going. Others start at home, but they don't last more than 7 days. It's not about location. Discipline matters. Gym benefits. 1. Equipment variety. You can lift heavier weights. Muscle grows faster. 2. Environment. Everyone around you is working out. You feel motivated too. 3. Clear progression. Today 5 kilos, next week 7 kilos. Tracking is easy, but what's the downside? It takes time. Membership costs money. Travel can be tiring. For students, these are big factors. Home workout benefits. 1. No excuses. No time? Do 10 minutes. No money? Your body is your gym. 2. Easier consistency. 15 minutes after waking up, 10 minutes before sleep. 3. Comfort zone. You train your way. No one is watching. But what's the problem? More distractions. Without a progression plan, growth can be slow. Which gives better results? If you're a beginner, home workouts are enough. Push-ups, squats, planks, pull-ups. With these, you can build a solid base in 3 to 6 months. But if you want serious muscle growth, in the long term, the gym is a better option because heavy resistance is necessary. Muscles grow under stress, and the gym makes that easier. So which one is right for you? If you are a student, on a tight budget, short on time, start at home. Build the habit first. Stay consistent for 3 months. Then, if you want, shift to the gym. Remember, you don't need a perfect plan. You need consistent action. Final words. The gym is good. Home workouts are good too. There is only one bad choice: not start. Do 20 push-ups today. That's your beginning. If this video helped you, subscribe. We're building our bodies and our discipline.